Berkley Braid Knot is a knot developed especially for braid lines. Recommended by Berkley, this knot offers a strong and reliable solution to the unraveling problems caused by the slippery nature of braid lines. First, fold your line in half so that it is parallel. Make sure you leave enough length. Thread your doubled line through the eye of the hook. Lengthen your double folded line by 2/3. Fold your line in half as in the video and secure the halfway point with your fingers. Secure the hook with your other hand. Then, as if you were tying a clinch knot in reverse, wrap the excess line end 6 to 7 turns towards the hook. When the winding process is finished, pass the end of the line through the loop formed closest to the hook. Remember to wet the knot at this stage. Then carefully tighten the knot by holding both the excess line end close to the hook and the excess line end here with the main line. Make sure the knot is tight. Cut off the excess line ends. The very strong Berkley braid knot is ready.